numbers. So let us see the exercise number 1. Let us solve the exercise number 1 questions first. So let's see the first question. So what is the first question? In first question there are 2 bits. So the first one is write any 3 rational numbers. Write any 3 rational number. Okay, first one, and first A1 is write any 3 rational numbers, and B1 explain rational numbers in your own words. What is the question? Explain rational numbers in your own words. So B1 is we have to explain rational numbers in our own words. So let us solve B first, then A. Okay. So rational numbers nothing but a rational number should be P by Q form. Yes. P by Q form. Yes or no? And P and Q are the integers. P, Q are P and Q are the integer, and then one more is there, Q not equal to 0. The form should be P by Q, P, Q are integer, and then Q not equal to 0. Q not equal to 0. So P, Q belongs to integers. Yes or no? So, and what is the first one? So this is the second B1. Explain rational numbers in our own words. So rational number should be P by Q form. P, Q are integers. It means P, Q belongs to integer, and Q not equal to 0. So let us take example. So what is the first one? Write any 3 rational numbers. So we have to write the rational numbers. Yes or no? Any number, you can write any number. 8 by 3, 4 by 12, anything. Okay, these are the examples of rational numbers. Just understand the concept and write it example. So only we have to write only this example. No, we can write any number. In place of this, we can write any number and any number. Just I am writing examples here. Okay, understood? Understand the concept and write. Okay. So second one. So what is the second one question? Give one example each to the following statement. So some statements are here. So we have to give one example to that statement. Okay. So first one. Let's see the first one first. So a number which is rational but not an integer. A number which is rational but not an integer. So let's see here. So integer set is and so on up to -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are the set of integers. Yes or no? And what is the rational number? What is rational number? Rational number should be P by Q form. It means 3 by 2 and 4 by 8 like this. So integers means we take whole part. We are taking whole part. So rational number is nothing but this is in the form of fractional number. Yes, this is in the form of, for rational numbers we are taking fractions. Yes or no? We are taking fractions. So what are the example? What are the example for this? We can write any fraction. Okay. 7 by 30. Okay. So this is the rational number. Yes. So what is the question? A number which is rational number but not an integer. So number should be rational but not an integer. Yes, this is a rational number. So P by Q form, Q not equal to 0, P and Q are the integers. 7 is the integer, 13 is the integer. Yes or no? So this is the rational number, but not a integer. Integers means we are taking only whole value, whole part, like -3, -2, 1, 2, 4, 8. That numbers are integers. So this is the example. This is the one example for first one. So let us see the second one. So a whole number which is not a natural number. A whole number which is not a natural number. So let us see first a whole number. Whole number. Right, set of whole numbers first. So what are the whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Yes. So then they give natural numbers. No. What are the natural numbers? Natural number starts from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to so on. So what is the question given? A whole number which is not a natural number. So what is the difference in between this? So 1, 2, 3 and here starts from 1, 2, 3. What is the difference in between this? So here is the difference. 0 is the difference for this two sets. Yes. So the question is a whole number which is not a natural number. Whole number which is not a natural number means 0. Yes. Understood? So and third one is an integer which is not a whole number. An integer which is not a whole number. So let's see an integer. So integer set. So just I am taking integer set and so on. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Yes. This is integer set. Yes. And then whole number. Whole number set is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to so on. Yes. So what is the question? An integer which is not a whole number. So integer. So integers are negative and positive. Okay. So see here up to 0 numbers are started. So up to here. So these sets are same. So remaining these are different. Yes. Negative numbers are not there in this whole numbers. So what are the examples for this question? So what is the question? An integer which is not a whole number. So not whole number, we have to write the integer part. Yes. What are the examples for that? We can take any positive negative number. So let us, I am taking -5. Okay. So just understand the concept and write that as number. So just write a number. So I am taking -5 here. Okay. And fourth one. So what is the fourth one? A number which is natural, whole number, integer and rational number. So number should be natural number. Number should be natural number, whole number, integer and rational number. So what is natural number? Natural number is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And whole number is nothing but starts from 0. Okay. And the integers are minus values and the whole numbers. Yes. And the rational numbers are P by Q form. So I am taking 3 here. So this is the whole number and the natural numbers and the integer. So 3 is nothing but 3 by 1. Yes or no? 3 is nothing but 3 by 1, which is in the form of P by Q. Yes? Which is in the form of P by Q. Okay. So take any number in place of this number. We take any number. Okay. So let us see another one. A number which is an integer but not a natural number. A number which is an integer but not a natural number. So what is integer? Integers means and so on. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Yes, these are the integer set. And a number which is an integer but not a natural. Natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So up to here are same. Up to 1 same. So we take any number 0 and we take any number. So I am taking -2. Okay, I am taking -2. So that's it. Second one is completed. Okay, let's see the third one. So what is the third question? Find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. So given numbers are 1 and 2. So we have to find out 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. So we can, so let's see here. So here is the 1 and here is the 2. We can write any between numbers here? No. So 1, next number 2 only. We cannot write between numbers for this two. For these two numbers 1 and 2. So and one more method is there to find between numbers. What is that method? Mean method. Already we discussed mean method, no? So that is the one way to find the between number. So let's see. So 1 is the number, no? 1. So I'm taking 1 into 10 by 10. 10 by 10 nothing but we are cancelling this. So remains the same number only. Okay. And next number is 2. Here also I am taking 10 by 10. So just multiply this. 1 into 10. 1 into 10 nothing but 10 by 10 and 20 by 10. Yes, 20 by 10. So let's see. 10 by 10 and here is the 20 by 10. If we can write between numbers here, yes or no? So here is the 10 by 10 and here is the 20 by 10. We can write 11 by 10, 12 by 10, 13 by 10, 14 by 10, 15 by 10, 16 by 10. So up to 19 by 10. Okay, understand? So they ask 5 rational numbers. Yes, they ask only 5 rational number. Therefore, the 5 rational numbers are. So what are the 5 rational numbers? 11 by 10. Yes, 12 by 10, 13 by 10, 14 by 10 and 15 by 10. Okay, understood? So we can write 16 by 10, 17 by 10, 18 by 10, 19 by 10. But they ask for 5 rational numbers, no? So here is the 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Okay, and the sum is 4th one. And what is the 4th question here? Insert 3 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. So given numbers are so what are the numbers? 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. So let's see the fraction here. 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. So we have to solve the problem. This fraction should be like fraction. Like fractions means denominator should be equal. So now let's solve this one. 2 by 3. So 5 and 3 are the 5 and 3 are the prime numbers. Yes, 5 and 3 are the prime numbers. So in this first fraction we are taking second fraction denominator. Okay, understood? For this first fraction we are taking second fraction denominator. It means 3 by 3. So we will cancel this 3 and 3 and the remains same number. Yes. So here and we are taking second fraction. So here we are taking for this denominator's equation. So we are taking first fraction denominator. First fraction denominator. It means 5 by 5. Just do this. 3 3s are 9. 5 3s are 15 here. Okay. 2 5s are 10. And 3 5s are 15. So let's see here. 9 by 15. 10 by 15. So we cannot insert any numbers here. Yes, we cannot find any between numbers here. Yes, so I am telling one trick for this sum, not for this sum. If they ask for insert some numbers, so all that type of numbers, this formula will applicable. Okay, so what is the question first? Insert 3 rational numbers. So we have to require 3 rational numbers. So what is the required? What is the required? So we have to find the 3 rational numbers. No. So required is 3. Yes. So what is the solution? What is the process for this? Is 1 plus required. 1 plus required. So 1 plus required means 1. Okay. What is the required number? 3, which is equal to 4. So we take required number plus 1. Required number plus 1. It means 4. So we have to multiply 4 for this fraction like this. See. 4 by 4. 10 by 15 into 4 by 4. Understood? This rule is applicable for every problem. Okay. 9 4s are 36. 15 4s are 60. Yes. And 10 4s are 40. Yes. 15 4s are 60. Yes, sir. So let's see here. First one is 36 by 60 and 40 by 60. We can insert numbers between these two numbers. Yes. What is the next number? 37 by 60 and 38 by 60. 39 by 60. Understood? Okay. So remember this one. 1 plus required. It means required means how many numbers we are inserting to that given fractions. Okay. So therefore the 3 rational numbers are what are the rational numbers? 37 by 60, okay, 38 by 60 and 39 by 60. Okay, 37 by 60, 38 by 60, 39 by 60. Okay, understand? So 36 by 60 nothing but 9 by 5. So 9 by 15 equivalent fraction is this. Okay, and 9 by 15 equivalent fraction is 3 by 5. Okay, understand? So this is the way we have to solve that. Let's see the another sum. So fifth one represent 8 by 5 and minus 8 by 5 on the number line. 8 by 5 and minus 8 by 5 on the number line. So here is the fraction. So we have to represent on the number line. So look at these numbers here. So these are the improper fraction. Yes, these are the improper fraction. So let's see here. 8, 5, okay. 5 ones are 5, 3, okay. Remaining 3. So it can be write as remainder is 3, whole number is 1 and denominator 5. So 1 whole 3 by 5. Yes. So just I am drawing a number line. So this number represent 1 after. Why? Because 1 whole 3 by 5. So I am taking 0 here and here 1 and 2. Here minus 1 and minus 2. Okay. So see the denominator here. Denominator tells us, so we have to divide this. See here 0 1. The difference is 1 and 1 2. The difference is 1. So the difference is same. Yes. So this denominator tells us we have to divide for this part into 5 parts. Denominator tells us how many parts we have to divide. This denominator tell us. Okay. So we have to divide 5 parts. See 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5. Okay. And here also same. 1. So here is the minus 8 by 5. So here also denominator 5. So we have to divide 5 parts. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So what is the numerator tell us? So which part we are taking? Which part we are taking? The numerator is tell us. Okay. So let's see. This is the 0. Sorry. This is the 0. Okay. This is the 0. And 8 by 5. 8 by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 5. Okay. Understood? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 5. Understood? This one 8 by 5. And minus 8 by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 8 by 5. This part. Understood? So this is in the form. These are the improper fraction. We are converted to mixed fraction here. So the fraction is 1 over 3 by 5. It means 1 after number. Okay. So 1, then 3 points. See here 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3. Understood? So this is the way we have to represent the given fractions into number line. Okay. Understood?